In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch Steam accounts safely. If you use more than one Steam account on the same computer, it's important to switch properly so you don't interrupt a game, lose unsaved progress, or accidentally sign into the wrong profile. The process is straightforward, and taking a moment to do it carefully helps keep everything secure and organized. Before opening Steam and changing accounts, make sure you this and close before running games. This is an important first step, because signing out of Steam while a game is still open can cause sync issues, lost progress, or unexpected errors. If you're in the middle of a session, pause for a moment, save everything, and fully exit the game before moving on. Once your games are closed, open Steam on your computer. Wait for the app to load completely so you can access the top menu without any delays. If Steam is already open, that's fine too. You can simply continue from there. Next, go to the top left corner of the Steam window, click Steam, and then choose Change Account. This option is designed specifically for switching between accounts without uninstalling anything or changing your game files. It's the safest built-in way to move from one account to another. After that, Steam will ask you to confirm that you want to sign out. Go ahead and confirm the sign out. This logs you out of the current account and takes you back to the login screen. If you share a device or just want to avoid confusion between libraries, this confirmation step helps make sure you're intentionally switching. When the login screen appears, select the other account if it's already remembered on the device. If it isn't, manually enter the account username and password. Take your time here and make sure you're using the correct login details for the account you want to access. If you have multiple accounts, it's a good idea to double check before signing in so you don't end up on the wrong one. Finally, complete any Steam Guard verification if prompted. Depending on your security settings, Steam may ask for a code from your email or authentication method before letting you in. This is a normal security measure and an important part of keeping your account protected, especially when switching accounts on the same system. And that's it. Once verification is complete, you'll be signed into the other Steam account safely. Following this process each time helps prevent login problems and keeps your accounts more secure.